given that Tn is equals to, this is a sigma notation. It refers to the fact that we're adding up a bunch of different terms. From 2 to n of r squared, find the value of T4. So let's figure out how this works. The number 4 is what n is. I'm going to substitute the 4 in here. So what we have here is T4 is equals to, this is called sigma, we're adding up terms. This is the starting point. We're starting at 2 and we're ending at n. And n here happens to be 4. R squared would be left alone like that. And so the way that this machine works is that we start off by substituting in the number 2 into the variable. It doesn't have to be r, it can be any letter. So what we have is, it's going to be 2 squared plus, so the sigma machine is adding up a bunch of different terms here, the number after 2. The number after 2 is going to be 3. So we have 3 squared plus, and you're going to keep on adding up all the numbers until you finally reach the end. So the next number after 3 would be 4, and this also happens to be the last number. So 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared would be the answer. So the answer for this T4 would be equals to 4 plus 9 plus 16, which is 29.